Hello YouTube, this is VGTA. The other day I did realize some strange thing in the sky when I was playing GTA 4, and I looked up and it was moving unusually fast, but it was sort of blinking a red light next to it, and another white light next to it as well. And this could very well be an airplane or a helicopter or some sort of aircraft, but I don't really know what it is. All I know is that it's moving unusually fast. It does appear in San Andreas and Vice City. Um, this was something that I had not experienced before in GTA 4, so I thought I might as well just record it. Now, I have no idea what this is. I'm pretty sure that it is not a UFO. However, Rockstar Games did name a particle effect that appears in the sky. They did name one sky effect UFO light for some reason in the San Andreas files. I have no idea whether or not they did the same for GTA 4, but I will keep you updated, and in case I find anything else, I will record it like I did this time. Thanks.